Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. So last time we have done question number 3 of unit 10 of exercise 10, which is Pythagoras theorem. So today we have to solve question number 4. Just let's read the statement and just giving you the hint, you have to solve by yourself. Okay, just let's read it. A ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a vertical wall with its foot 1.8 meter away from the base of the wall. As I told you in the previous video, whenever we have to deal with real life word problems, we have to, by reading statement, we have to draw the figure. Okay, they are saying a ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a vertical wall. So they are talking about a vertical wall. A vertical wall is here. What they are saying, a ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a vertical wall. So a ladder is placed of length 5 meter against a vertical wall. Okay, and then they are saying with its foot 1.8 meter away from the base. The foot of this ladder is 1.8 meter away from the wall, base of the wall. Where is the base of the wall? That is the base, that is the foot. So 1.8 meter away. This ladder is 1.8 meter away from the base of the vertical wall. So what they are asking, how far up the wall does the ladder reach? They are saying what is the distance of this ladder from the base to the upward direction. So we have to find this length. So you can see this is a right angle triangle. And we are dealing with Pythagoras theorem. The side which is opposite to this, which is hypotenuse, and that is, you can say perpendicular, and that is base. You have given this and this. You have to find this. You have to let length of ladder x meter to reaches up the wall. So we have assumed that is the length, which is x meter, and then by using Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse in case which is 5, the side which is opposite to right angle, 5 square equals to 1.8 square plus, and then we have to find unknown which is x. And after solving it, you can solve from here. You will be having x, and then will be in that is the length which they asked in that. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? Hope you can solve from here. Let's move on to the question number 5. Number 5, let's read it. What they are saying in this: Mr. Lee buys a 30-inch television. The height of that screen is 18 inches. Okay, they are saying there is a person, Mr. Lee, who buys a 30-inch television. The height of that screen is 18 inches. So let's say that is a television, and the height of the screen which is given, which is 18 inches. Okay, what they are saying further, given that television screens are measured across the diagonal, i.e. the length of the diagonal is 30 inches. So they are saying the screens are measured in diagonal. You know what is the diagonal? The opposite side distance. So they are saying this diagonal is 13 inches. So 13 inches, this diagonal is given. The length of the television is given 18 inches. What they are asking, how wide is the screen? They are saying when the length of the television is 18 inches and the diagonal length is 13 inches. So what is the width of this television? So we have to let the width which we have to find of television is, let the width of television be x meter, whatever alphabet you can take, and then by using Pythagoras theorem, that is a right angle. By using Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse square, and what is hypotenuse in this case? The side which is opposite to right angle. which is 30 square equals to 18 square plus this x, which we have assumed x, and after solving it you will be having x which is in inches. So hope you can solve. Let's move on to the question number 6. Okay, now let's take question number 6. What they are saying in this, let's read it. Two vertical buildings of heights 30 meter and 37 meter are 16 meter apart. They are saying in first sentence, two vertical buildings means two vertical buildings we have given like this. One of height is 37 meter and second of height is 30 meter. Two buildings are given of height 37 and 30 meter. So let's draw it. We have drawn 37 meter building and 30 meter building are 16 meter apart. Their distance from these buildings to each other is 16 meter. They are separated from each other by a distance of 16 meter. Okay, what they are saying? A cable pulled and attached from the top of one building to the top of other building. They are saying a cable pulled and attached from the top of the one building to the top of the other building. One cable which is attached from the top of the first building and pulled to the top of the second building. One cable which is attached from the top of the first building to the top of the second building. Now what they are saying? Find the length of the cable. Now the cable which they are talking about, which is attached from the top of the first building to the top of the second building, they are asking about the length of that cable. We have to find the length of that cable. So how can we find, if we have given this information and we have drawn the figure like this, how can we find this length? Let's say we have given this 37 meter and we have given this building 30 meter, we have given this distance which is 16 meter and they are asking about this length. Let's take, if we draw here base, and is it become a right angle triangle which says hypotenuse square base plus perpendicular. So we have to find this hypotenuse and we know this base which is 16 meter distance, and this distance we have to find hypotenuse which is the length of the cable. And how we can find this distance? When we have given the total distance from 37 meter from here to here and we have given 30 meter here to here, which of the distance is remaining from here to here, which is this one? This one. How can we find this one? By minusing 30. We have drawn the figure. Two buildings are given to us, 37 meter and second of 30 meter, and the distance between them is 16 meter. And what they are saying? They are saying you have to, and the cable is attached from the top of the first building to the top of the second building, that is given in the question, and they are saying we have to find the length of this cable. So how can we find? Is it a right angle triangle? You can see the side which is opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. We have assumed length of each cable is x meter using Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square equals to this distance which is 16 meter given. And how can we find this distance? We know this total distance from here to here, and here to here we know 30 meter. So we have to find this distance remaining. How can we find? 37 minus this 30, we will be having this remaining distance which is 7 meter, and then after putting it will be 256, 49, square of 7 is x square equals to 305, and after removing this positive square root it will be 17.5 meter. So we have found the length of this cable which is attached from the top of the first building to the top of the second building. The length of this cable is 17.5 meter. So we have solved it. Now let's move on to the question number 7. Just let's read the statement they have given. Debbie is the name of a person. Folded a sheet of paper into an envelope as shown in figure, in which they have given us this figure. They are saying he folded a sheet of paper into an envelope like this, and then in the figure angle AED equals to angle ADB equals to angle BCD, which is equals to 90 degree. So we have given angle AED which is equals to angle ADB and which is equals to angle BCD. given, which is of 90 degree. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. To seal the envelope, she has to apply glue along AD. Now Devi has to seal this envelope. She has to apply glue AD and DB. AD and DB. She has to seal this envelope. She has to apply glue along this side and this side. So given that AE equals to ED equals to 8 centimeter, you can see this symbol which says this AE equals to ED. The same side distance which is given 8 centimeter, and this is also 8 centimeter. DC and BC equals to 14 centimeter, and DC and BC, which is also equal, which is 14 centimeter, that is given to us. So find the length of the sides along which the glue has to apply to seal the envelope. Now what they are asking? They are asking, you have to find the length of the sides along which the glue has to apply to seal the envelope. Now to seal the envelope, we have to apply the glue AD to DB. They have said in this question. So now they are asking, you have to find the length of these two sides where we have to apply the glue to seal the envelope. So we have to find the length of AD and DB. So how can we find it? And what they asked in this, they asked in this to find the length of the sides in which we have to apply the glue to seal the envelope. So these sides are AD and DB. So we have to find the length of AD and DB, and then after finding their lengths, we will add it. That will be the total length of the sides which we have to apply the glue in order to seal the envelope. So to find AD, we have to deal with this triangle. That is the symbol of a triangle. In triangle AED, which is AED, angle E you can see is of 90 degree. We have to, by using Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse, which is this side AD. If we are taking this triangle, AD square equals to DE square plus ED square. So after putting the sides of same length, which is given 8 square 64, after adding it will be 128, and then after solving it AD will be 11.31 centimeter. So now we have found one side length where we have to apply the glue. Now we have to find DB. So for DB we have to deal with triangle BCD, which is BCD. C is of 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, which says if we have to deal with this triangle DBC, hypotenuse this side, which is DB square equals to BC square plus DC square. After putting it, BC we have given 14, and that is of same length. DC we have given 14, isosceles triangle property, and then which is given in the question. After putting it, it will be 392 after adding 14 squares, and then DB equals to 19.80 centimeters. So we have found two sides length which they asked where we have to apply the glue. Now their question was find the length of the sides where we have to apply the glue. So we have to find AD and DB, and we have found. So and now we have to add this both the lengths. That will be the total length of the sides, which is 11.31 plus 19.80, and it will be 31.1 centimeters. So the side of the total length will be 31.1 centimeter, where we have to apply the glue to seal the envelope. So we have done with this. Now let's, question number 8 is your homework, in which what you have to do, in which a rhombus figure, you have to Google what is the rhombus, how many sides in it. So you have to solve it. The diagonal length of rhombus is given in question number 8. That is your task. You have to solve it, and then we will start question number 9. Hope you can solve. Hope you got what I described. And Allah Hafiz. Take care. Allah Hafiz.